What's up, guys? It is the Trading Infiltration, where we're infiltrating the market one play at a time. And today we're going to talk about NVIDIA. I love NVIDIA. I love the way that their contracts move when it comes to day trading it or just swing trading for a couple of days. I saw this setup on NVIDIA today after market, and I thought, okay, let's see what it can do tomorrow. It looks like it's going to have a good day tomorrow. All right, so starting from the weekly chart, we go to the weekly here. We can see that overall, like on the weekly overall, let me get this off my screen. The video is in a solid uptrend, right? We know this because it hit demand down here, came up, it found some resistance or hit a supply zone and then came down, right? But it never broke a previous swing low. So this is like the first swing low here on this uptrend. So for me, I do think the video is going to keep pushing up. It looks like it's set to run right now. But the market is the market, and we can never really predict where it's going to go. We can just try to be prepared for wherever it's going to go, right? All right. So looking at NVIDIA's weekly chart, they started off the week. Right now it's indecision, right? So it's a one candle. They did not break the previous high or low of that previous candle, right, from last week. And so we're going to actually take our entry off the daily. So we want to see NVIDIA break and hold above 210.57. Our first take profit will be at 211. And then our next take profit will be at 213.99. Now, since um, NVIDIA, if it breaks this level here, I'm also going to map out one more level because it's possible that they could run back up to this supply zone up top. And so to the downside, we're looking for a break below 203. First take profit will be 201.92. Next take profit would be 198.96. Final take profit would be 195.06, and that's coming down to that trend line. So if they do reverse um tomorrow to the downside, if you're still in a play or if it does drop to this area here, you want to be mindful of this trend line, right? Because if they drop it, okay, they'll have a down day, no big deal. But overall, you have to pay attention as well to the trend. So you don't want to be caught in a trade where the price is pretty much in a steady uptrend, but they just have like a little bit of downside before they push up, right? You don't want to get caught at the bottom of that trend line holding because price could reverse and go into the opposite direction. All right. So for me, it's either way. If I'm just looking right here, I'm gonna draw another trend line just so I can have like an idea of where the top of that trend line is as well. And so for the upside, NVIDIA could come and make a lower high or a higher low, come and make a higher low here, and then break through the trend and reverse back to the supply zone. That is a possibility. But on the daily chart, this candle not only did it end as a one, but it also started as a green candle. My candles are white, of course you can't see the green and red, but it started as a green candle and then reversed and turned into a red candle. And so depending on how NVIDIA opens, right? NVIDIA could open up and just take off and pop up, or they could open already, down past our levels, right? And so it could go either way. But just based on the close of this candle on the daily chart, I would say that we could see some downside tomorrow. And so that's what we'll be looking for. Either way, we're going to be prepared. We're trying to not have a bias because price does what it wants. If you're in the market, price does what it wants. We can have these levels mapped out, but it moves how I want to move, you know what I mean? And we just have to be prepared for both sides. So yes, guys, that is my video, my analysis on the video for this week. Let me know what you guys think. What are you planning this week? Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.